Today we'll discuss about the divisibility test, means without division how can we identify the number is divisible by a particular number or not. So first we'll see the divisibility by 2. For 2 we'll see the ones place digit of the number, like the number is 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7. So this number is divisible by 2 or not. For that we'll see the ones place digit of the number. If it is even number, then the number is divisible by 2, and if it is odd number, then the number is not divisible by 2. Here 7 is a odd number, so this number is not divisible by 2. Now we will see the divisibility by 3. For finding that the given number is divisible by 3 or not, we will find out the sum of the digits of the given number. Like the number is 465 and we have to find out whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. For that we will add the digits of the given number. The sum is 15 and 15 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Now we will test the divisibility by 4. For by 4, we will see the number formed by the ones and the tens place digit, like the given number is 96752. So for the divisibility of 4, we will see the number formed by the ones and tens place digit, that is 52. So now we will see whether the 52 is divisible by 4 or not. Here the 52 is divisible by 4, so this number is also divisible by 4. Now the divisibility by 5. For the divisibility of 5, we will see the ones place digit only. If the ones place digit is either 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. Like 1, 9, 0, 2, 8. So this number is divisible by 5 or not. For that we will see the ones place digit. Here the ones place digit is neither 0 nor 5, so it is not divisible by 5. Now if we will increase the number like this, so now it is divisible by 5. Now we will see the divisibility of 6. What are the prime factors of 6, 2 and 3? So if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then only the number will be divisible by 6. Okay, like 2, 4 and 6. Now here we will see the ones place digit, that is even number, so it is divisible by 2, and then we will find out the sum of the digits of the given number, that is 12, so it is divisible by 3 also. So this number is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now we will see the test of divisibility by 7. Suppose we have to find out whether this number is divisible by 7 or not without division. Then what we'll do, we will twice the ones place digit. Twice means multiply by 2 करेंगे ones place digit को, and we will subtract it from rest of the number. Rest of the number मतलब 68. इसका डबल करके 68 में से माइनस करेंगे. 68 minus 8 is equals to 60. And 60 is not divisible by 7, so this number is also not divisible by 7. Okay. Now we will see the divisibility by 8. For the divisibility of 8, we will see the number formed by the 100, tens and ones place digit of the given number. Like we have to find out whether 79152 is divisible by 8 or not. For that we will see the number formed by the 100, tens and ones place digit, that is 152. Now you can divide 152 by 8 to find out whether it is divisible by 8 or not. So it is completely divisible by 8. So this number is also divisible by 8. Now the divisibility of 9. Divisibility of 9 is same as divisibility of 3. For divisibility by 9 also we have to find out the sum of the digit of a given number. If the sum of the digit of a given number is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Like the given number is 6543. So first we'll find out the sum of the digits of this number, that is 18. If 18 is divisible by 3, then this number is also divisible by 9. If 18 is divisible by 9, so this number is also divisible by 9. Now by 10. For 10 we will see the ones place digit only. If the ones place digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Okay. Now we will see the divisibility by 11. Suppose the number is 90728 and we have to find out without division whether the number is divisible by 11 or not. For that, first we'll do the numbering of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see, these are the odd places digit. First place पे digit आ रही है 8, that is odd place digit. Third is a odd number, 3 is a odd number, so third place पे कौन सी digit आ रही है 7. This is a odd place digit. 5 is an odd number, तो fifth place पर कौन सी digit आ रही है, that is 9. So these are the odd places digit. So first we'll find out the sum of odd places digits. Odd places हैं 1, 3 and 5 and the digits are 8, 7 and 9. So their sum is 24. Then we will find out the sum of even places digits. Even places digits are 2 and 0. 2 and 4 are the even numbers. Second place पर digit क्या है 2 and fourth place पर digit क्या है 0. So what is their sum? 2 plus 0, that is 2. Then we will find out the difference of these two numbers. 24 minus 2 is equals to 22. So if this number is a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. First we will find out the sum of the odd places digit, then sum of the even places digit, then we will subtract them. If their subtraction is either 0 or the multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay. So in the next video, we'll discuss the LCM and HCF of the given numbers. Goodbye all of you.